Hey guys, my name's Brooke, and I'm going to show you today how I made $10,000 in 1 week using Claude AI to pitch website redesigns to local businesses in my area, specifically med, spas, and aesthetic clinics. And per pitch literally took me less than an hour's worth of effort. A separate video on how I had AI create a full Excel spreadsheet of all of the suggested businesses in my area that could really benefit, even some of them that didn't even have websites but had an active Google business profile. Promised to myself this week that I would do one pitch per day, but I honestly was able to bang out at least 3 of them per day. So this is one of the clinic suggestions from AI for website redesign. So I have a very easy prompt, but basically I copied the entire Google profile information for this business, just copied and I pasted it into Claude. And I asked Claude to create a redesigned website for this business. Super impressed. It really understood and took all of the relevant information from their current website and exampled it already in a better way. But you can go back and forth with Claude. I actually am using and showing you this on the free version. So this is all free. This is 5 minutes time, all free. Once you have the draft, and remember, these are cold pitches. These are not clients that are confirmed. They don't have to be perfect. You just want to kind of show these potential clients a visual, which I find works the best. And it's so easy. So once you have this mock-up draft website um, ready and to your liking, I suggest including it as an attachment or even just taking screenshots of some of the pages, including it in your email pitch. So how do you email pitch? If these are established businesses you're pitching to, it is usually super easy to find the owner's contact information. And I am really big on emails. I think email is the best form of client contact. The already made email template pitch that is super easy. Customize it to whichever business obviously is relevant. I also have kind of the follow-up investment email, and it really just clearly outlines the deliverables and what I will be providing service-wise or aspect-wise to the redesign. And at the end of the day, I'm telling you that 1 out of 10 cold pitches will secure a new customer client. So if you cold pitch 50 a week, that's 5 new clients, and that could be upwards of $5,000 in your first week per client, only charging $1,000 per client for websites.